Fabric rejection, standard operating procedure, and SOP. Let's get defined. You'll first visit my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press this notification bell icon. Email any question, please put comments in your inbox. The fabric rejection SOP must include this following thing: this standardize this operation at these industrial levels. Fabric rejection SOP. Identify these problems. The first step in this fabric rejection process is to identify the specific issues with these fabrics. This might include visual defects such as hole, stain, or shrinkage, or it could be issues with these fabrics practices, each stained, deep, or colorlessness. This person identifying these problems should clarify examine and fabric and record dislocation and nature of the issue. Document the issues. It's important to thoroughly document these problems with these fabrics, including this location and nature of this issue, as well as any other relevant information, this batch number or supplier, the fabric. This information will be needed for later investigation and for informing the fabric supplier of these problems. Separate these difficult but defective fabrics once this problem whose this fabric has been identified. This defective fabric should be separated from this good fabric. This might improve discarding different fabric into a small processing on this, spreading this into the spread being or cutter.